If someone says your handwriting is bad, don't worry. The idea of good or bad handwriting is actually a myth. What really exists is trained handwriting and untrained handwriting. The sitting posture. Sit comfortably with your feet flat and parallel to the ground. Many people say sit straight, but holding a stiff posture for a long can cause discomfort. Instead, stay relaxed. Keep your feet flat and right without any strain.
Oh no!
Choose the right pen for it. Pick a pen that's lightweight and has a rubber grip. If possible, avoid keeping the cap on the back. It adds unnecessary weight. Holding the pen. Use your thumb and index finger to hold the pen, with your middle finger supporting it. Alternatively, you can also use both your middle finger and ring fingers. Now, the most important is writing pressure. People often say use less pressure, but how do you know what is less? Try this. Write something in the air effortlessly. Notice how there is no real pressure. Now apply the same light touch on a paper. You will find your writing become faster and smoother. Now comes letter formation. Start your letter with a tick up, tick down stroke. It helps you move more fluidly both upward and downward. For example, write A and B with a tick up and try Y and Z. You will notice the connections are neater and the spacing is even and your overall handwriting flow improves. The lines and size. 4-line notebooks are just a guide to understand upper and lower zones in your handwriting. Gradually move from 4-line to 2 lines, then to single lines. Because in real life, we write on single line or even no line sheets. Along with that, you also need to focus on size, slanting, pen grip and spacing. These elements play a key role in making your handwriting clear, balanced and beautiful. By applying these simple techniques, you will see a big change both your speed and neatness. And you will realize your handwriting was never bad. In its first place, just untrained.
Want to improve your handwriting 100% in a short time? Get the Veda Handwriting Labs self-learning kit with QR code-enabled video support. Visit www.vedahandwriting.com and don't forget to use the coupon code for an exclusive discount.